There's a moment, an electrifying buildup. Her breath quickens, muscles tighten, and a wave of warmth surges through her body. And then, release. A rush of pleasure unlike anything else. But what does she actually feel in that moment? Is squirting just a physical reaction, or is it something much deeper? Today, we uncover the truth behind one of the most mysterious and intense experiences a woman can have. Welcome to my channel, where we break down the science of sensual wellness and healthy living. If you want to truly understand the human body and elevate your intimate knowledge, make sure to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to explain in details what women really feel when they squirt and also debunk some of the myths and misconceptions about squirting. So sit tight as we dive into it. The science of squirting, what's actually happening. Before we dive into the sensations, let's first understand the science. Squirting is the release of fluid from the Squirt glands, tiny structures located near the urethra. These glands are often considered the female equivalent of the prostate. When stimulated, especially through the G-spot, they produce a clear, slightly sweet fluid that's different from urine. But the real magic isn't just in the fluid. It's in how the body responds to it. The G-spot is packed with nerve endings and is directly connected to deep internal pleasure pathways. When pressure is applied, the tissues swell, circulation increases, and the nerves send rapid signals to the brain. This is when the sensations start to intensify. Now let's look at the buildup, what a woman feels leading to squirting. The sensations begin subtly, a warm, tingling pressure deep inside. Many women describe it as a slow wave of arousal, different from a typical clitoral orgasm. It's not just surface pleasure, it's deeper, fuller, almost primal. As stimulation continues, this pressure builds, creating a fullness, almost like the need to urinate. But here's where many get it wrong. That feeling isn't an inconvenience. It's the body preparing for something more. The key is to surrender to it, to let the sensations take over rather than resist them. At this stage, her body is on the edge. Every touch, every movement sends shivers through her. The pressure isn't just internal, it spreads, radiating from her core, traveling through her thighs, up her spine, into her fingertips. And then, the eruption of pleasure. The release. What squirting feels like. The moment of squirting is like nothing else. It's not just a burst of fluid. It's a full body experience. Some women describe it as an intense pulsation, a rhythmic contraction that feels like their body is rippling from the inside out. Others say it's like a dam breaking, a sudden rush of relief and euphoria washing over them. Physically, it's a mixture of warmth, wetness, and deep relaxation. The release isn't just pleasurable, it's freeing. Many women feel their whole body go limp afterward, completely surrendered to the moment, lost in the aftershocks of pleasure. And then, there's the glow, a deep warmth that lingers, a feeling of complete satisfaction, of having unlocked something powerful within. Squirting isn't just a physical event, it's deeply emotional. Many women describe feeling a profound sense of surrender, of letting go completely in the presence of someone they trust. It can be vulnerable, overwhelming, even spiritual. For some, it's an awakening, a discovery of a new kind of pleasure they never knew existed. For others, it's a bonding experience, an intimate exchange of energy between two lovers. No matter how it's experienced, one thing is certain. Squirting isn't just about the body, it's about the mind, the heart, and the soul. Now let's look into the myths versus reality about squirting. debunking some of the misconceptions. Despite how incredible it feels, squirting is still misunderstood. Let's set the record straight. Myth 1. Squirting is just pee. But the truth is that, while some traces of urine might be present, squirting fluid comes from the skin's glands and has a different composition. Myth 2. Only some women can squirt. In reality, most women have the ability, but it depends on stimulation, relaxation, and mindset. Myth 3. Squirting means a woman had the best orgasm. But in reality, squirting and orgasms are separate processes. Some women squirt without orgasm, and others orgasm without squirting. So, what does squirting really feel like? It's an overwhelming rush of pleasure, a deep release of tension, a full-body surrender to sensation. But, most importantly, it's unique to each woman. No two experiences are the same, and no two moments feel alike. If you're curious to explore more about pleasure, intimacy, and unlocking the full potential of your body, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Because pleasure isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. See you in my next video.